Naturally increasing your metabolism can help you burn more calories and maintain a healthy weight. While genetics play a role in determining your metabolic rate, there are several tips and tricks you can use to boost your metabolism naturally. Build muscle. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat, so incorporating strength training into your fitness routine can increase your basal metabolic rate, BMR. Aim for at least 2 days of resistance training per week. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can slow down your metabolism. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to support all of your body's functions, including metabolism. Eat regularly. Skipping meals can slow down your metabolism as your body goes into starvation mode and conserves energy. Eating regular, balanced meals and snacks can help keep your metabolism active. Protein intake. Including enough protein in your diet can temporarily boost your metabolism, as your body expends more energy digesting protein compared to carbohydrates and fats. Lean sources of protein like chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes are great choices. Spice it up. Spicy foods, such as chili peppers, contain capsaicin, which can temporarily increase your metabolism and promote fat burning. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support a healthy metabolism. Don't skip breakfast. Eating a healthy breakfast kickstarts your metabolism for the day. Include whole grains, protein, and fiber for sustained energy. Green tea. Green tea contains compounds like catechins and caffeine that can boost metabolism. Drinking a cup or two of green tea daily may have a modest effect on calorie burning. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to hormonal imbalances that affect your metabolism. Incorporate stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine. High-intensity interval training. Height workouts can increase your metabolic rate both during and after exercise. These short, intense bursts of activity can be an effective way to rev up your metabolism. Cold exposure. Exposing your body to cold temperatures can stimulate the production of brown fat, which burns calories to generate heat. Cold showers or spending time in a cool environment may help, but consult a healthcare professional before attempting extreme cold exposure. Stay active. Being physically active throughout the day can help keep your metabolism active. Even simple activities like walking or standing can make a difference. Omega-3 fatty acids. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and flax seeds, may support a healthy metabolism. Stay well hydrated. In addition to supporting overall bodily functions, drinking enough water is crucial for metabolic processes. Water is essential for breaking down food and transporting nutrients throughout your body. Aim to consume at least 8 to 10 cups of water per day, and more if you're physically active or in hot weather. Eat whole foods. Whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins require more energy for digestion compared to processed and fast foods. Including these foods in your diet can slightly boost your metabolic rate. Manage portion sizes. Overeating, even healthy foods, can lead to excess calorie consumption. Pay attention to portion sizes to ensure you're not consuming more calories than your body needs. Caffeine. Caffeine, found in coffee and tea, can temporarily increase your metabolic rate and provide a short-term energy boost. However, it's essential to consume caffeine in moderation and avoid excessive sugary or high-calorie coffee drinks. Don't crash diet. Drastically reducing calorie intake for extended periods can slow down your metabolism. Instead, opt for gradual, sustainable changes in your diet to avoid these negative effects. Fiber-rich foods. Foods high in fiber, like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, can promote a feeling of fullness, which may help you control your appetite and calorie